Guys, welcome to the teacher and me. Today I'm going to show you guys a science experiment that you can do. Um, around this time of the year is a good time to do science experiments because a lot of students have science projects due around this time. At least I did around this time, so I don't know if you, wherever you are. So, people usually do the corniest thing ever, which is the volcano. Like, teachers are just tired of seeing the volcano. You know how many students do the volcano? So, we're going to take everything you use in a volcano without the volcano, and instead of creating something so annoying to make, you need, the normal ingredients, which is baking soda and vinegar. Water bottle, clean, and a balloon. First, this is the baking soda. I already poured it in the cup. You're gonna pour it carefully in your bottle. Start off with a little. The point of this is to see how to blow up the balloon and how much you would need. So, a little bit of baking soda. Should have grabbed a spoon, but I didn't think. I'll clean my mess up. Well, I always say, as Miss Rizzo always says, get messy, make mistakes, See? So it's already bubbling up. Alright, well, what you're supposed to do is put a little more baking soda so it could redo the... and you're going to take this and put it over the bottle. So give me a little, it's going to start blowing up, but as you see, it didn't blow that much. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add more vinegar and more baking soda. And our goal is to try to blow this up as best as we can. If I could take this off. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to add a little more vinegar. Yeah! Don't worry, I'm going to clean this table. Style. A little more vinegar. Okay, a little bit more powder, baking soda. I'm gonna clean it. Alright, balloon. Oh my god! Oh, it blew up a lot more. Look at that. I'm going to keep adding more powder. It seems like the more powder, baking powder you put in, baking soda, that you put in, the more bubbly it is. Okay, go. Alright, I'm going to add more baking powder. This is really cool. Okay. See, now that I think I need... it didn't do the same effect. I have no more vinegar, but you see what it does. It blows up the balloon. It's really cool. You have to even out the baking soda with the vinegar. And then eventually you'll blow up the balloon. You see, it blew up a little bit. And then eventually it'll cool down. Usually people use this mixture to make a explosion with the famous volcano. I say no because teachers are tired of seeing it. So that's all the time I have. This is all I had. See me later on in the future shows where I'm gonna show you more science experiments and more things you could do with your students. This is actually a really fun thing. When you do this more. Make sure you have a hypothesis, which is basically predicting how much baking soda you would need to blow up the balloon. You need a constant, which is the thing that will stay the same. So the thing that stayed the same was the balloon, and the water bottle is the same. Constant is usually the same measurement over and over, same of something. You always need that, and then you need something that's changing, which is the baking soda. I kept adding baking soda, and I kept adding a different amount of vinegar. Materials, like I said, all you need is baking soda, vinegar. The baking soda is in the cup. Also, baking soda is actually really good to use if you're a parent, to put in your fridge to get rid of odors. So that's all the time we have. You know, Jesus loves you and all that. I love you. Have a good one. Bye.